Peta Gets Lost. Story and illustrations by Jane Griffiths-Jones. Every day, Peta Penguin goes off to play on the bright white ice. And every day, Mum says, "Remember this, my little chick. Try and stay away from the big hungry creatures and the steep slippy slopes and the deep blue sea." "I will," Peta says, smiling. But one cold and frosty morning, Peta forgot what Mum had said, and he hopped onto a big, hungry sea lion. And he slid down a steep, slippy slope, and he fell into the deep blue sea. Scary, scary sharks swam round and round, and big, hungry birds swooped down and squawked, "Quack, quack, quack." "Oh dear," cried Peta, "I want to go home." There, little penguin, don't be scared," spouted a whale. "Come with me, and we will leap and spout together all the way home." "Don't cry, little penguin," gurgled an octopus. "Just follow me, and we will paddle and gurgle together all the way home." "Don't be sad, little penguin," clicked a dolphin. "We will splash and click together all the way home." And so they paddled and gurgled, and they splashed and they clicked, and they leapt and they spouted all the way home. "Where have you been, my little chick?" asked Mum, looking worried. "I slid into the deep blue sea, and I had to swim with lots of scary things," spouted Peta. "But I have made lots of new friends," he said, smiling. With thanks to Jane Griffiths-Jones and Gomer Press.